Hey, so welcome back, folks. Welcome back to the Booze by Rob production facility located, you know it, you love it, historic Nashville, Tennessee. But we're going to go on a little trip. We're going to go to Ireland. In fact, to County Donegal, which, if you do your Gallagher research, is where the Gallaghers, at least my family, came from. There's a distillery there, the Ardera Distillery. Now you get some Gaelic words here, and I'm going to have to work hard on it. The Slieve League Distillery in Ardera, which is in County Donegal, makes this, which is Silkie. Silkie is a whiskey. We have a couple different kinds of it. We're going to make a couple different cocktails in future shows. We're going to make an old-fashioned today. So Silkie is a mermaid that has a sealskin coat and comes out of the water, falls in love, and the sea calls her back and all that kind of stuff. But it's really a good whiskey. We're actually going to be visiting there within the next couple months, and we're really looking forward to meeting those folks. But we're going to make an old-fashioned. But you know, you think of an old-fashioned as either a bourbon or a rye, but why not? Let's try an Irish whiskey that's got a little hint of peat in it. Just a new complex flavor to probably, you know, an old-fashioned being one of the most heavily modified and customized cocktails out there. So here we go. Let's build it up. We're going to start off with Angostura bitters, and I'm not going to go crazy on the bitters as I normally do. It's only going to be 3 dashes. 1, 2, 3. And I've got my ice in our mixing glass. 1/2 ounce, order your taste. This is kind of where we like them, of simple syrup. And our simple syrup is 1 to 1. So equal parts sugar and water. And lastly, we're going to have 2 ounces of the Silkie. You could use 1.5 ounces. I like the 2 ounces. Builds a little bit nicer, larger drink, as you can see there. Mixing spoon. And mix it up. So we're going to dilute that cocktail, chill it down. I keep our mixing glasses in the freezer, so it kind of starts out cold as it starts. Also, you want to mix with the back of the spoon towards the outside of the glass, if you can. It's a little bit of a technique that you can learn, but also makes it a little quieter. Okay, as you're mixing. Okay, what kind of glass? We're going to use Waterford, right? It's an Irish crystal glass. Add a Hawthorne strainer on top. Big ice chunk in there. And this is one that is, this drink is one that can actually be made inside the glass as well, with sugar cube, bitters on top, muddle it up, add booze, life is good. Traditionally, there's an orange that is expressed over the top, but we have been liking these dehydrated orange and lemon and grapefruit and all this kind of stuff. It goes in and it just subtly starts to flavor the cocktail. It's not just too much orange, but the best part of the show is the tasting. Absolutely delicious. I mean, you don't have the punch of a bourbon. It's a little more subtle, and you can taste the Angostura a little bit more and pick up a little bit of the orange taste in there, just a hint. This is solid. So hey, next time you're making an old-fashioned, don't just stick to a bourbon or a rye. Maybe try a little Irish. And if you got some Silkie, it's really a good one to pick. Cheers, folks. Stay safe and enjoy. You're going to like this one a lot.